So, good day everyone. We are at the moment here in Newcastle, and there is this, kind of fiesta thing. No, this is, this Newcastle Winter Fun Fest until July 20. I don't know how much is the entrance fee, but $5 per entry. We are here at the Novice Beach. Already a lot of people doing their usual activities, jogging, walking around, chatting with friends, over that side. Some people nearby the water. Looks like they're going to swim. It is cold. There are more people going to that lighthouse, and I'm just going to have a breakfast. We'll buy a coffee over that side. So basically I'm here to observe the people, different activities. These people, they are preparing to surfing. Look how beautiful is this. Very nice. The sun basically just rises over that side, and some people there chatting, preparing to go on surfing. Nice. And thank you. Change your life, but there's a one wind blowing the stars around, and I really love to see you tonight. I'm not talking about moving, and I don't wanna change your life, but there's a one wind blowing the stars around, and I really love to see you tonight. I actually have really nothing to say. Not even to describe the area. Because you've seen this place so many times in the vlog, and so I'm just singing along with the music from this sunglass. We're going to that lighthouse, and it is okay to sing along with the music around, even loud. Because the other people, they are also wearing their headset, and so they don't hear me singing. It is actually really beautiful at the moment. Everywhere you look at, something is moving. There are people around. Even from the far side, even from that bridge, Stockton Bridge, you see the movements of everything: vehicles, plants, people. On and on, I've no regrets. The sun still shines, the sun still says, why do now for all this time? Or can I say to you, what more can I say? It is very windy in here. This is the end of the lighthouse area. There is that ship, and there's one guy kayaking. Love to you like you want me to, and I hold you tight, baby, all through the night. I make love to you on the night, and the wind is really. Finally, a garbage bin. You remember when I was walking around in Japan? There's no garbage bin. And so I need to carry the coffee cups until I found the toilet. They have a garbage bin in the toilet somehow, but everywhere around, nothing. That's why you should not bring food while walking around. Or if in case Yeah, you put your garbage on your backpack or on your pocket, but yeah, definitely you're not going to see any garbage bin around Japan. Very clean city. Because you know, here in Australia, people usually picnic around. Yeah, during their break time, they eat outside, and so garbage bin is necessary in public places. But still clean. We are back here at the Novice Beach, and there is actually this kind of circus. Yeah, it's indoor, and we are now on the side. Yeah, going to the Newcastle beach. And we are now here at the Newcastle Bath. And yeah, I noticed that there's actually no water. Yeah, yeah, there's no water in the pool. Ah, now I understand. Yeah, just because for cleaning. Yeah, just now I realized that the floor is actually a soil. Yeah, sand, not concrete. The concrete is just the sides. So it means that it's not the temperature of the water is the regular water temperature of the sea. And in case you don't know, yeah, the beaches, yeah, the sea here in Australia is always cold. Even during summer, the water is cold. Comparing to that in Southeast Asian beaches, like in the Philippines or even in Middle East, yeah, the beach in the Middle East, they are warm and hot. Yeah, this is also a rock pool, and it's the bed is also sand. And this is the actual Newcastle beach. Yeah, we're going this way. Instead of going to along the beach, we go inside this commercial residential area. Oh, you remember this hut? Yeah, it has this ears cover. Nice, but I don't really feel the protection actually. Oh, in case you don't know, yeah, like what I said, I was just coming from the beach, and over that area is actually the the tram station. So like a 2 minutes walk from the tram station all the way to the Newcastle beach. Yeah, nice. This place is a little bit hidden. Yeah, near the beach. And you notice that houses here, they are the classic Newcastle houses. Yeah, they are wooden. Oh, I remember, yeah, recently I went to Japan, and noticeably the houses there, yeah, the classic one, yeah, they are also wooden but very much different looking. Yeah, and most of them color black. You know, Japan is one of the best place to visit. Yeah, because you're going to really experience, yeah, the Japanese experience. Yeah, because you know, actually when I very first had time to travel, yeah, to explore as a tourist, yeah, it was Thailand. Yeah, I choose Thailand because Thailand also is different. I mean, yeah, it's going to be like a real adventure because people in Thailand don't necessarily speak English. Yeah, and so yeah, it's a good thing, a total travel experience. Compare that if you travel to countries like in Europe or yeah, in the Philippines. Yeah, people speak English, so it's kind of easy adventure. And you know, those traveler with the food preference like dietary, or those people with food allergies, yeah, eating in Japan will be difficult. Yeah, first thing is because yeah, most of the people, even in those commercial areas, tourist areas, yeah, people don't speak English. And one thing I noticed, the people who actually spoke English in Japan are the Nepali. Yeah, there are lots of Nepali working in yeah, restaurant, convenience store. Yeah, they are the one who speak English. Very nice. And the Japanese, the locals, yeah, they are usually having this kind of yeah, card, yeah, picture card. And yeah, there is the English translation, and so you just point what do you want. We are back here in Novice Beach, not yet open. It is now 12:25, and you know, here in the barn the temperature is just good. And now I'm going to prepare my meal. Yeah, I went to the grocery yesterday, last night actually, and I bought chicken and vegetable. I mean this, yeah, this mixed vegetable, $2 each. Yeah, also this, I bought this barbecue, I mean kebabs, honey and soy marination. I forgot how much is this. If I'm not mistaken, this is $10 or $11.50. 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, 10 sticks. The way I'm going to cook it is actually just to put it here in the rice cooker. Take it off from the stick. Yeah, because yeah, rice cooker is the only cooking equipment I have here in the barn. Put everything in, and I add some water, and that is just like that. It's like rice that it is stop cooking when it reaches the heating point or boiling point. But yeah, the chicken is actually still raw, and so I'm going to add some water and cook it again. Oh, it is now 6:58. Still early, but yeah, already totally dark, and we're going inside of this yeah, carnival. I will not be able to speak because yeah, it's very loud inside. I don't know if there is a food outlet inside, but yeah, actually don't see any. If there's no food outlet, I am not going inside. So I just bought yeah, I just get inside. It's $5. Look at that, this is scary. Yeah, I don't want to play because first of all, I'm shy. Oh, I actually end up getting one of these chicken nuggets. 2, 4, 6 pieces of nuggets and chips or french fries. This is $15.